by the Philippine Sports Commission.
Yes, of course.
And unfortunately, Mr. Chairman won't be around, but he will only attend the goodbye, the gala night. But also Bambol is leaving on the 5th for abroad. So Bambol and we will only have the mayor there.
Yes. Ma'am, is this aerobic event, kasi one of the 7, no, sa gymnastics, is this an Olympic event already or may not yet?
What is that?
Olympic event, hindi pa.
No.
So what are the chances of making it to the Olympics? Ito
You know, the Tamayagi, who is a Japanese, she's really fighting. She wants it, the first step, she wants it to be in the Asian Games. Once it's in the Asian Games, then it will be Olympics already. Because everybody likes it because it's so exciting to see.
So for this in Nagoya, kasama na po ba siya?
Wala
Hindi
pa.
pa.
She's working on it, and she's asking all of us to help her because it's very exciting. So
how fit are the Filipinos in this kind of?
You know, when we had we had 100 trying to be part of our team. We have 100 kids. They like it because there's no apparatus. All have the music and that. And I have done a lot because before, in the beginning, aerobics was 160 beats per so fast. I pitied them. The movement is so fast. So I said, slow down your music, at least 130 beats per minute, not 160, and make it more artistic. Tell a story. Make artistic, the artistic value. Not jumping. They was not make it, Korea, how cute. They came with Spider-Man, and they call it the Chihisa, and they go, very beautiful. Of course, they won because there's artistic value. They call it, they jump up, it's like Spider-Man, and they're all dressed in Spider-Man. That's
So
the
you
way.
can be as artistic as unlimited yung